from Ysgol de Gamre and I'm the Bronze Sport Ambassador.
So Amy is a Sports Young Ambassador for the school, and she comes with us to help Year 1 and 2 in their swimming lessons.
As a school, we're looking to improve our Learn to Swim targets for the number of pupils. Year 6 pupils are able to reach those targets, swimming targets. So when Amy was appointed as the Young Ambassador last year, we had a chat about swimming, and we came up with the idea that Amy is an excellent swimmer herself, Year 6 pupil, we would agree for release to her to come to help and assist with swimming lessons for Year 1 and 2.
She comes with us to assist with the lessons, and she demonstrates a good example to the children while we're teaching them, and I find that invaluable, really, that she's able to demonstrate very good practice to them for the children to observe and then try and improve their own technique that we're trying to, or the skill that which we're trying to do that particular lesson.
So I'm in Year 6, and today in the morning we went to Llandudno swimming pool with Year 1 and 2s for the school swimming lessons, and I helped out and we tried to go through the strokes with the little ones. I've seen a lot. They last time said that, oh, I gotta keep my feet on the bottom of the pool, and this time they're like letting go and they're getting a bit more into it. They're more confident in the pool with the water. Yeah, it's really fun. I like seeing them improve every day. We do it.
Our 2 young ambassadors sit on our school council, so they represent the interests of the pupils with regard to sports and activities. They help me, they discuss curricular and extracurricular sport with me, and they try to feed their ideas through and feed ideas that may have come from a school council meeting. They assist in planning events like sports days, and they actually get together groups of volunteers from within their classes to assist in those events. The other young ambassador, her specialism is badminton, so we're looking to set up a project whereby she helps us with taking pupils to the local badminton centre and trying to get some links in with the local clubs.